Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you update Spotify 2024. So to update Spotify app, you need to just go to your Play Store and just search for Spotify in the top search bar. And after searching for it, here you can see there is no update option in my case because I already updated it. In your case, if you have the update option, just update it immediately, and if you don't have the update option here, just simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again, and by doing that your app will be updated. So guys, that's how you can update Spotify app in 2024. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.